Hey artists, meet US Art Supply's Airbrush Reducer and Extender Base, your secret weapon for flawless, vibrant creations. This water-based formula thins your acrylic paint perfectly, making it flow effortlessly, even with the tiniest airbrush tips. Do you want razor-sharp fine lines or delicate details? We've got you covered. Designed to increase transparency and improve color flow, it's your go-to for precision work. It's not just for airbrushing. This reducer works wonders for acrylic pouring, giving you a silky, vibrant pour every time. Create masterpieces that never fade. Get your bottle of US Art Supply's Airbrush Reducer and Extender Base today. It's time to unleash your creativity with US Art Supply. Smash that like button, and please consider subscribing to our channel.